Across the city, you can find water spray parks, also known as splash pads, to help you keep cool during our hottest days of summer. Although there are many recreational centers located in and around the Rochester, New York area, which all have their own water spray parks, this video will be listing our top non-recreational choices in the area. Okay, let's get started. At number 7, located in East Rochester, we have Edmund Lyon Park. This pirate-themed splash pad is free for all to enter and contains both a splash pad and a nearby playground. Though there is a bathroom on site, it's on the other side of the park, so it's probably easiest to come with the kids dressed and ready to go. This splash pad is furthest from its playground than the rest on this list. There is plenty of seating near the splash pad with picnic tables and grills. If you are around the East Rochester area, you may want to consider checking this one out. At number 6, located 1/4 a mile north of the village of Spencerport on Route 259, we have Pinewood Ponds Park. There are lots of structures that spray, pour, and trickle water at the splash pad. Kids can climb on a dolphin or a sea lion, slide down a whale, run through a rainbow, or get doused by toppling buckets. There is plenty of open space for sports, walking, hiking, playing, and fishing. The park features 4 enclosed lodges, 7 athletic fields, 2 splash pads, seasonal, a large playground, climbing wall, skateboard park, a pond, and restrooms. At number 5, located in the town of Greece on the Town Hall campus, we have the Wild Over Water Zone Splash Park. Cool off at the region's largest municipal splash pad. Wild Over Water Zone is a zoo-themed facility with dumping coconuts, spraying zebras, and ground features that are sure to get you soaked. Your little ones would enjoy all the many different sprinkler options available. This splash pad is in close proximity to the playground. There is a $5 admission for non-residents. There's no grills for cookouts, so I wouldn't recommend if you're looking to cook out. However, there are tables to picnic. At number 4, located in the town of Irondequoit, a few minutes from Durland Eastman Beach, we have Camp Eastman. Camp Eastman offers a scheduled splash pad and playground open and free to the public. At number 3, located in the town of Webster, not far from the Xerox Corporation, we have First Responders Spray Park and Playground. The parking lot is located off of Chiota Drive, west of the Recreation Center. The water used in the spray park is not recycled. It is straight from the water pipes. Number 2, located in Gates, Chile, we have the Union Station Park. Union Station Park is a wonderful park with access to a playground, little free library, trails, and lots of running space, along with the water area, of course. It is open to both residents and non-residents. And last and not least, number 1, located in Rockport, New York, we have the Sweetentown Park. The splash pad at Sweetentown Park is unique with moving parts everywhere. Kids can spin the various fountains to create different patterns from the water. Since there are moving parts as well as 2 falling bucket features, the water outpour can be unpredictable. Again, we listed these parks in random order. The splash pad surfaces are slippery, so make sure that your little one wears water shoes or sandals.
Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed the content within this video, please subscribe and like this video. Also, take a look at our Rochester merch that we have on sale in our online store. The link is right in our description, so click on it. We have t-shirts. We have women's t-shirts. We have men's hoodies. We have hooded blankets, which is one of our top sellers that are great for the indoors and outdoors. We have baseball caps. Click on the link in the description and place your order today.